decided to try this new breakfast place that I've heard a lot about. They have different types of sandwiches, and so I got an avocado egg sandwich. It was really good. After this, I decided that I was not going to eat out anymore. So you guys are going to see me just cooking throughout this vlog.
For the vibe I've been out for days. Steady chasing the body, concentrate. Anytime I do.
We just came to Mulholland Drive. I've been wanting to come here for so long.
Anytime I do. Whether night or day, I dey on my chain.
It's so pretty though.
Even on my leg. Double the dance to the bed, they go feel like rain. Cause anything where I drop, then go chop a J. Whether night or day, I dey on my J's. I dey on my J's. How many times they go tell the person? They know they pay to get any lesson. Shama ya go to the day. And they survive anytime we did it. I don't get time, I don't get patience. Spreading money, play dance.
If you've watched my channel before and you've seen my cooking vlogs, you've definitely seen me make this stuffed salmon. But this is one of my favorite meals to cook. Sometimes I like it stuffed, and then other times I'll make it as just like a topping. I really like that it has a lot of different vegetables. I use green onion, bell peppers, tomatoes. And then I add this to cream cheese, a lot of regular cheese. And I also added broccoli and mashed potatoes to the side because I'm trying to eat healthier. But it turned out really good. This is a go-to meal that I just love making. It always tastes good. Everyone, so it is day 2 of my cleaning and organizing project. I have some unboxing to do. I definitely have some new makeup. I do have a lot of unboxing to do. I'm trying to do everything in order, but I did want to show you guys a couple of the items that I got. Favorite one was called Nerds, and it's like all of these cute different colors. The new waist beads that I got, super cute. I got these from a small black owned brand, MAC makeup. Yeah. I don't know if I just want to show you guys everything. So I also made coconut shrimp. This was something I wanted to go get, but I decided to just look a recipe up, and it came out really good. I used like a coconut cream sauce with it. You can fry this different types of ways and also season it how you want, but I really like the end result. Already talking to you guys about this desk. I didn't put this desk up myself. I had to get help putting this desk up that I showed you guys in the beginning of this video. It was so many different pieces to it, but I really like how it came together. I love how it has like a lot of different compartments so I can store a lot of different items. The last meal that I decided to make was mango salsa shrimp tacos. And seasoned the shrimp, and I really like the small taco shells. So I was really happy with how these tacos turned out, and I'm also glad that I chose to not eat out as much this week.
Whether night or day, I dey on my chase. Even on my leg, they go dey dance to the bed, they go feel like rain. Cause anything where I chop, then go chop a chase. Whether night or day, I dey on my chase. I dey on my chase. Kese, 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 kese. Kese, kese, baby, kese, kese. How many times they go tell the person? They know they pay to get any lesson.
Halloween is one of my favorite times of the year, so we decided to go to Universal Studios Halloween Horror Nights, and I really wanted to go to the Weeknd's Haunted House. And then he also has like a bar that goes along with the theme of the haunted house. Really cute drinks, so I wanted to go there first. But we had a really, really good time at Horror Nights. This was probably the best time that we've had so far of all of the times that we went. And I always love a good night out. A time was definitely had. Just made it to Universal, y'all, for Horror Night.
For the vibe I've been out for days. Steady chasing the bar, then concentrate. Anytime I do, whether night or day.
I also got to get on my favorite ride, the Mummy. If you guys are ever at Universal Studios Hollywood, you definitely should get on the Mummy. We had so much fun, you guys. I got my Chucky drink that I really want. I also really like the Weeknd's Haunted House.